Nemanja Vidic.
Now here's an opening, he's got away from them, he's through on goal! Sight of goal, stunner, absolute stunner! This is dangerous. Good strike! Oh, what a save, the keeper denied him! He's given the foul, not sure if he'll book him for that or not.
It's a free kick, but I don't think it's any more than that. No, the ref's shown some sympathy, but he's not going to show him any more.
I don't think so. I think that'll be the last chance saloon for him. I'm afraid any more of that and he'll get a yellow card.
Showed good anticipation to win the ball. Nicely done. Worth a go. They do carry an aerial threat. There's a threat here. They were making some headway there. Well, why on earth would he think he could score from that far out?
This is Julian Lescott.
Sends it in. Couldn't quite find a way through. Surely, and Rooney has scored! It's all level here now, at 1-1.
Now Gareth Barry.
Who'll get there first? And that's tamely into the hands of the keeper. Richards. Not a good pass from David Silva. Defender has it. Asking for trouble when you lose the ball like that. He's put it away! That just flew into the net from way out.
Well, I think he's caught the goalkeeper totally on the back foot there, Clive, because he's a long, long way out. The keeper just didn't expect the shot.
Away we go again. So it's 2-1.
Not the pass that Richards was looking for.
You need confidence in yourself to try your luck from that far out. It's Nasri. They're just running the game here, playing it about how and where they like. Probing pass. Worth an attempt. Nothing wrong with that pass. Oh, now they haven't picked him up here. Offside given by the linesman. Oh, they had possibilities there. Wayne Rooney stepped in to make the interception. Chance here. Goal! Making the substitution.
Scheda. He saw the chance to release him, but didn't direct the pass as he wanted.